for it, baby.
For the bad bitch, only. Baby, you got it coming, put that on me. Off top, stop talking to be the homie.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sharae Palmer, and thank you so much for tuning in. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back to see another video. So in today's video, we are going to be doing my curly to straight hair routine. And as you can see, girl, my hair is straight. It's bone straight. It's giving silk press at home. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. So I'm using some new products, some new tools, and I'm super excited about them. But enough rambling. If you would like to see how I got these results at home, then just keep watching. Oh shoot, I just broke my hair before. So when I first jump in the shower, I like to fully saturate with my hair with the water, and then I'll split my hair in two and just start to finger detangle. I don't like to go in with shampoo. My hair is just super tangled and matted, so I just like to kind of take my time, finger detangle as much as I can, and then I will go in with shampoo once I feel like my hair is pretty detangled. Not all the way, but just, you know, those big knots are pretty much out. So next I'm going to hop into shampoo. So I like this Aphogee deep moisture shampoo. I love to use this before I'm going to use heat on my hair. It's super moisturizing and it makes my hair just feel super just soft, and it doesn't give me like that stripped feeling after you shampoo your hair. So I just like to start with my roots, focus there, and then I will go down the shaft of my hair. I do like to make sure I'm really massaging my scalp just to get all of that product built up from when I had my hair curly. So yeah, I just like to really get into my scalp, get my edges from all that edge control. And I do like to double cleanse when I straighten my hair just because, you know, I am naturally curly. So I do use a lot of products in my hair, gels, oils, things like that. So I do want to make sure that I have the cleanest scalp possible before I go and straighten my hair. Because if not, you'll get stiff results, it won't be flowy, it'll get greasy fast, and you don't want that. So here's just me showing you guys shampooing the second time. Like I said, I'm bringing that all the way down because, you know, I put product all the way down my hair, so I want to clean it all the way down. So after I rinse all of that shampoo out, I make sure I rinse it out very well, and I'm going to go in with this Aphogee 2-minute Reconstructor. And I love to use this, like I said before, I'm going to be using heat on my hair. This is the stuff, if you don't want heat damage, if you want to just give your hair some strength or really add some bounce to your curls, use this product. I'm telling you, it's brought my curls back to life so many times. So I always like to use it before I'm going to use heat on my hair, just to protect it and give it that strength that it needs. I put it through each section, rake it through with my fingers, and then I will let that sit for 5 minutes. So the last step that I have to do before I straighten my hair is deep condition. So today I'm going to be using this TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. And this is fire. Like this whole line is amazing. I'm going to put y'all on later. But for now, I'm going to hurry up and put this deep conditioner in because I'm almost late to my nail appointment. Deep conditioner is in. I'm just going to put it in a bun. Like I said, I gotta run to this nail appointment, so once I come back and rinse everything out, we will start the actual process of straightening our hair. Alright, you guys, so once I rinse all of that conditioner out, I put my hair into either like a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt, and I couldn't find my towel, so I just used this cotton t-shirt. It's just healthier for your hair than like a hard towel. So I'm gonna take my hair out, and this is what we're looking like. You want to check your scalp, make sure your scalp is very clean because you do not want to try to straighten hair on a dirty scalp. So the star of the show is this Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This is what it looks like. Oh y'all, look at my nails. I didn't show y'all. Aren't they so cute? But anyways, yeah, so this is supposed to be like the ultimate anti-frizz hair treatment or hair spray basically. So I'm just going to start off by sectioning my hair into 4 parts. So first I'm just gonna brush it out. We're gonna spray. It says spray liberally, so I'm gonna start at the ends and work my way up. And I'm really gonna focus on the back because this is like the first part of my hair that does like to frizz up. And then just comb that through, just so that the product is evenly distributed. Alright you guys, so I have went through and sectioned and put all of this Dream Coat spray in each section. So now we're about to start blow drying. I'm just using this Infiniti Pro Conair, and then I have the concentrator attachment nozzle. If you don't have this, it's fine. I usually use this just as good. I'm gonna see if I like this, if it like, you know, makes a difference. And then like I said, I'm just gonna use this red by Kiss vent brush. I actually really like this. Like, it tangles my hair so nice. My hair doesn't get caught on it or anything. And so yeah, so we're just gonna start with this back section here. And before I start go through and start like using the brush, I just like to brush it through one time and just hold my hair taut like this and just go with the blow dry like this to get it like initially dry. And then once I feel like it's getting a little bit drier, I'll go in with the brush and I'll show you guys. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so now that it's dry a little bit, that's when I'll go in and start using the brush. Y'all, I don't know if it was that spray, but I feel like my hair just dried so fast. Like, literally, it took me, I think, 3 minutes to blow dry this section. Girl, let me find out. And you want to make sure that, I mean, this is just a personal preference. I let my hair sit in that cotton t-shirt just to soak up as much water as possible before I go in and blow dry, because I do not like to go and blow dry my hair on soaking wet hair. Just because I feel like I'm already using enough heat as it is. So I feel like your drying time is a lot lower when you let your hair towel like air dry in the towel versus just hopping out the shower, drying a little bit and start blow drying. Like, you won't be blow drying for as long at all. Alright you guys, so I have let my hair sit a little bit, and as you can see, I put a little makeup on just so that, you know, it pulls the look all together. So I'm just going to take out this first blow dried section, and it looks like little curls in it. It's cute. So usually I like to add in this cheese silk infusion. I kind of want this to be like a silk press, so let's just add a little bit. So I'm literally going to add the slightest amount, like literally a dime size, mostly just to my ends, and then just drag whatever is left up. So we finally upgraded. So I got this BaByliss Pro Nano Titanium Prima 3000. It looks like this, and everyone loves it. They say it's great for straightening your hair. It's great for curling it with the straightener. That's mainly why I wanted to try it out. So let's open it up. So it just slides right out like this. This is how it looks. It looks so cute. And it comes with a glove. Oh, that's cute. And some directions that I'm not gonna read. And it's pretty long. Like, this is longer than any other straightener cord that I have had before. It's already heating up, and I literally just turned it on. It's super nice though, really pretty. And yeah, so while that heats up, I'm going to just show you guys what I'm using. So I always like to use clean combs and clean brushes on my hair when I'm straightening it. So I'm going to use the brush that we use to blow dry it with. And I also have a small fine tooth comb. You can use this for like a rat tail, just so that we can do the chasing method. And all the chasing method is basically you just take a small section of hair, you comb it through. Oh girl. You comb it through, so you'll have the comb like this. I have the straightener, like my fingers in the straightener, and you'll just guide the straightener down with the comb. And it just basically like pre-straightens your hair before the heat hits it. It makes a world of a difference. If you want your hair to be silky bone straight, do the chase method. I'm telling you, you will love me for it. So I like to start at the nape of my neck and work my way forward. So we're just gonna start with this little piece. Have you a handy clip just so you can like clip it out the way, just like that. You want to comb it through. So I like to do it like this, hold the comb. Make sure it's, yeah girl, it's hot. Take it at the nape and go down slowly. And as you can see, it's already bone straight. I'm gonna do like this first little back section. This is like my short pieces, and once I get like more towards the longer pieces, I'll come back so you guys can see a little bit better. So I have done this back section, and as you can see, it's super flowy and it looks really nice. So you get your roots. Be careful because this does get super hot and you will burn your scalp if you're not careful. And I just go down it very slowly. So that you don't have to do multiple passes. Follow all the way down. And if you feel like you missed your ends, you can go hit it real quick. And boom. There you have it. So that's what we're looking like. Super pretty. Looks so nice. I haven't straightened my hair in so long. I'm gonna speed it up, let you guys watch me straighten it, and I will see you guys probably like halfway through when I'm feeling myself at this point.
Girl, I do you right. Don't you know that you the shit?
This is one side done. This is what it looks like. I like to bump my ends just a little bit, but this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna do the other side and come back once we're all done. So I'm all finished, and these are the results. I do like to bump my ends, so that's kind of why you see like the little flip at the end, just because like since my hair is curly and is layered, bone straight hair just doesn't really look that great on me. So I do bump the ends, and this is what it's looking like. So let me give you guys a spin. Super shiny. Scoot up so you can see. Super nice. It's very flowy. Stiff wear, baby. But yeah, it turned out really good. I love these products. I'm gonna kind of keep you guys updated in the future vlogs to see or to let you know how this holds up. think that it's gonna do good. I just have like good hopes for it. As far as this straightener goes, I really do like this as well. I can't wait to curl my hair with it because the sides are plated as well. So even when I was bumping my hair, it was just gliding. It wasn't like catching or anything like my old straightener used to do. So as far as the straightener, I would definitely say that I like it. Like I said, I'm going to keep you guys updated on this as well when like I curl my hair and things like that for my actual birthday, which is coming up. I'm so excited. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will list all of the products that I use down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.
For the bad bitch, only. Baby, you got it coming, put that on me. Off top, stop, something to be the